In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your PayPal Xoom account. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Whether you want to send money to family overseas or pay for services internationally, Xoom offers a reliable platform, and linking it with your PayPal account makes transactions even more seamless. First, let's navigate over to Xoom, a PayPal service dedicated to sending money online. You can simply open your preferred web browser and type in xoom.com in the search bar. Once you are on the homepage, you'll notice that Xoom is specifically designed to help you send money abroad quickly and efficiently. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for new users to navigate. On the top right corner, you'll spot the Login button. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page where you can proceed to log into your account. Now on the login page, you will see a prompt that encourages users to sign in using their existing PayPal credentials. This is one of the key benefits of Xoom, as it integrates seamlessly with your PayPal account, removing the hassle of managing multiple logins. Go ahead and click on Log into your account. If you're already logged into PayPal on the web browser you're using, you might find this step even quicker, as PayPal might automatically recognize your session. Once you've clicked to log in, you will be taken to a familiar PayPal login screen. Here, enter your PayPal email and password. For those concerned about security, PayPal employs a robust security protocol to ensure your details are protected. After entering your credentials, proceed to log in. If you've logged in successfully, you'll be redirected to your Xoom dashboard. From this point on, you can explore the many features Xoom has on offer. Whether you're aiming to send money to a different country or pay international service providers, you can do so with just a few clicks. The process is not only fast, but also ensures that your transactions are protected with PayPal's renowned security measures. In conclusion, setting up your PayPal Xoom account is an effortless process that enhances your ability to conduct international transactions securely. The integration of PayPal with Xoom streamlines your online payment processes and ensures peace of mind. As you get familiar with the platform, you'll discover how easy it is to send money internationally. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to subscribe for more useful tutorials and tips on managing your finances online.